In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an item from my cart on Temu. If you've added something to your Temu cart and changed your mind, don't worry. Removing an item is quick and simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it from the Temu website. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Temu website. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed in to your account. This is important because your cart is connected to your account, and signing in ensures you can access the correct items you've saved for purchase. After you're logged in, look for the cart icon, usually found near the top of the page. Click on it to open your shopping cart. This will take you to the page where all the items you've added are listed in one place. If you have several products in your cart, take a moment to scroll through and find the specific item you want to remove. Once you've located the product, look beside it for the option to remove it. Depending on the version of the site you're seeing, this may appear as a remove button, a delete option, or a trash can icon. These all serve the same purpose, which is to take that item out of your cart. Click the option next to the product you no longer want. In some cases, Temu may ask you to confirm the action before the item is removed. If a confirmation message appears, go ahead and confirm it. This extra step helps prevent accidental deletions, especially if you're editing your cart quickly. After that, review your cart carefully. Check that the item is no longer listed. You should also see your order total update automatically to reflect the change. This is a good final check to make sure your cart contains only the products you still want to purchase. If the item doesn't disappear right away, try refreshing the page or waiting a moment for the cart to update. Small delays can happen occasionally, especially with slower internet connections, and that's all it takes to remove an item from your Temu cart. Open Temu, sign in, go to your cart, find the item, click Remove, Delete, or the trash icon, confirm if needed, and then review your updated cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.